Hello guys, today I'm going to show you one of the best all-in-one solutions for Windows troubleshooting. This powerful custom ISO operating system comes packed with amazing tools for data recovery, password reset, troubleshoot drivers, and many other advanced repair tasks. We'll be creating a bootable USB that you can keep handy and use at home or in the office to troubleshoot and fix common PC or laptop issues. The best part is that this USB works perfectly with both Windows 10 and Windows 11 systems. So, if you're looking for a reliable rescue USB that can help you troubleshoot and fix problems when Windows won't boot properly, this video is exactly for you. Alright, I'm on my Windows computer. First open your browser and in search type Sergei Strelec WinPE ISO. You'll see several websites offering the download, but make sure you choose the official website, so click on the first website. The website is in Russian, but don't worry about that. Just scroll down a little bit and click the blue button. After that, scroll a bit more and you'll see multiple download options. You can choose any one of them. Then click on this download button. It is in Russian language. It will start downloading the ISO file. We also need a couple of tools. First is WinRAR to extract the files. If you already have it installed, you can skip that step. The last thing we need is a tool to make the USB bootable, and for that, we'll be using Rufus. So download the Rufus tool from its official website. I will provide all of these tools website link in video description so you can copy and paste it in your browser for easy access. Once all the tools are downloaded, open File Explorer and head over to your Downloads folder. First, we will install the WinRAR application. After that's done, right-click on the archive and open with WinRAR to extract the tool file. During the extraction, it may ask for a password. You can find the archive password on the same website where you downloaded the file. Just copy it and paste it here, and the extraction will begin. After everything is extracted, plug in your USB drive and open the Rufus tool so we can create a bootable USB. At the top of Rufus, you'll see that it automatically detects your USB drive. Next, click on the Select button, browse to the WinPE folder and choose the WinPE ISO file. For the partition scheme, select GPT, and for the file system, make sure FAT32 is selected. You can leave all the other settings as they are. Now click on Start, confirm by clicking OK, and when you see the warning about all data being erased from the USB, click OK again. Rufus will now begin creating your bootable USB drive. Once is finished, now plug the USB drive into the computer and restart your system and press the boot menu key. When the boot menu appears, select the USB drive. Next, you'll see a list of operating system interfaces to choose from. You can select the Windows 11 or Windows 10 interface, and it will load an environment that looks just like the version you choose. There are also options for Windows 7 and Windows 8, and a fourth option for Windows Memory Diagnostic. Go ahead and select the first option. The system will load the required files and boot the operating system directly from the USB drive. This runs completely independently and won't affect your current Windows installation, delete any folders, or change your existing partitions, so there's nothing to worry about. The interface looks just like a normal Windows system, but it comes packed with a huge collection of very powerful tools. If you open the Start menu and go to Programs WinPE, you'll find different folders, each dedicated to a specific type of task. Let's take a quick look at what's inside. When you open the Backup and Restore section, you'll see well-known tools like Acronis for full system backups and cloning, R-Drive Image for disk imaging and recovery, EaseUS for easy backup and data recovery, and Terabyte tools for advanced partition and image management, along with many other powerful backup and restore utilities. In the hard disk section, you'll find utilities such as Minitool Partition Wizard for creating, resizing, and fixing partitions, along with Disk Genius, which is extremely useful for tasks like data transfer between hard drives, partition recovery, and many other disk-related operations. You also get direct access to the disk management tool from here, making it easy to manage your drives without even booting into your main Windows installation. Next is the Diagnostics. Here you'll find tools like Hard Disk Sentinel for checking hard drive health, OCCT for stress testing your CPU and hardware, a keyboard test utility to test all your keyboard keys, and a sound check tool to diagnose and fix audio-related issues. You'll also see Crystal Disk Mark, a very popular tool for testing disk speed, and CPU-Z for viewing detailed system and hardware information. The best part is that you can open and use any of these tools instantly without installing anything. This makes it a really powerful and convenient operating system with tons of built-in, pre-installed utilities. Next, in the network section, you'll find a wide range of internet and networking tools. This includes the Opera browser for web access, FileZilla for FTP file transfers, uTorrent for downloads, along with options for network connections, network status, PPPoE setup, and tools to enable or disable the firewall. There are many other useful network utilities here as well. After that, in the remote access and VPN section, you'll see tools like TeamViewer and AnyDesk for remote connections, PuTTY for SSH and Telnet access, and OpenVPN for secure VPN connections. Moving on to data recovery, this section includes all the essential tools you need to recover deleted or lost data from hard drives, SSDs, or USB devices. Next is BCD editors and utilities, where you'll find tools related to boot records and startup repair. These make it easier to fix boot issues and restore systems that won't start properly. Next in the driver section, you have several driver installation options. You can automatically install all drivers, install drivers directly from the host system, or choose to install only specific drivers like wireless LAN, video, or LAN. All of this can be done easily from this one place. Next, in the formatting section, you'll find tools like Active Kill Disk and the HDD low-level format tool, which are useful for securely wiping and formatting drives. Moving on to utilities, this section is packed with extremely helpful tools such as Acronis Shell Extension, Unlocker, 7-Zip, Terracopy, the on-screen keyboard, and many more everyday utilities that make troubleshooting and file management much easier. In the password reset section, you'll find tools designed to reset Windows 11 and Windows 10 login passwords. There are also utilities that help unlock BitLocker protected drives if you've forgotten the password. Next is defragmentation, where tools like Defraggler are available to optimize and reorganize your drive data. After that, you have hex editors, along with video and audio applications, document tools, file managers, search utilities, and CD/DVD tools, giving you full control over files and media. In the antivirus section, you can use tools like Ramdisk and Kaspersky to scan and clean your computer or USB drive from viruses and malware. Then, in the system section, you'll find essential tools such as Calculator, Command Line, Notepad, and other built-in WinPE system utilities. There's also a console utilities section for various command line tasks. The best part is that when you run these tools, they execute automatically without you needing to type complex commands. Finally, in the encryption section, you'll find tools like Disk Cryptor and VeraCrypt, which allow you to encrypt and secure your drives and data. Overall, this is a very powerful and extremely useful USB toolkit that you can use both at home and in an office environment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.